So what's up guys, welcome to HTML course. In this class we will see how to display images. So I will say images.html and I will save this file on the desktop. Then I will hit exclamation mark, and in order to display the image we will be making use of in order to display images we will making use of the img tag. And over here we will be providing the source of our image. So currently let me just go to Google Chrome, and if I want to display the image of a car, I will type out car over here. I will go to the images tab. I want wallpapers. So basically this will directly take me to the Flipkart, but just right click on this and say copy image address, come over here, and you should be giving the alt tag as car. Okay, so now I will come over here and I will copy paste that address over here. Okay, I will paste it, and as can be seen that address is a little bit big. Okay, so it's really very big, and I will save this, and I will go to my desktop and I will execute my file. Okay, so now just double click on this. So as can be seen, image of that car is getting rendered. So instead of taking the images from the Google, you can say something like source Unsplash. So basically this is the best place if you want to get the URLs of the images. So click on this, and I will just randomly pick up one URL. Okay, so I will just scroll down, and let me just take this example URL. So again I will now create another image. I will make use of the img tag. I will copy paste that source over here. You cannot give any you cannot give the alt tag over here because this website is generating the random images. So now if I'm just saving this, coming to my web browser and refreshing, so this is a random image that has been generated. Okay, so I'll be removing this first image. I don't want this image now. So as can be seen, if I'm just refreshing, now this is the second random image that has been displayed because this website actually generates the random images. Now if suppose I want to give the width of my width to my image, then I will give the width, I will say 50%. And if I want to give the height to my image, I will say height, and I will give the height as 20%. And if I'm just coming over here and refreshing, width and height of the image will be like changing. Okay, so now this is the 50% width, and height is what is defined by us. Okay, 20%. If you want, you can give even in terms of the pixels. If you say 500, width as a 500 and height as also 500. If I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing, so now width and height is 500 and 500. Okay, so this is how you can apply these properties. If I am saying making use of the property float, and if I'm just saying float on the right hand side, if I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing, I am not getting the output. Float right, it should actually floating at the right hand side. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, so now let me just make use the concept of inline CSS which we have seen previously. I think with inline CSS this should work. I will say float, and yeah, now this is a get now I'm getting this option. I have made use of the styled attribute over here. Now I'll save this, come over here and refresh. Okay, so now as can be seen, now this image has been displayed on the right hand side because I have made use of this float attribute. So what this will do is this will float that particular image on whatever position that you are specifying. Okay, so as can be seen, there are some other properties also. If I'm just saying float, you can float this image inline end, inline start, left, right, initial. Okay, so these are some of the values that you can apply. By default, image is always at the left hand side, so there is no point in giving the value as a left. Okay, so if I'm just refreshing, now I'll get the image at the left hand side. So this image is getting I'm getting new images and every single time because of this URL. Okay, so the source what is given by me over here, this side actually generates some random images. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the image tag to display image, and these are some of the attributes that you can apply. You can even make use of the style tag to apply few more properties on it. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about the image tag.